TG.
And Shan, here
with
with
another
the
big
big
bang.
bang.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So obviously it's Shan without TG, and today from the title of the video you see that I'm doing something impulsively, dyeing my hair today. No on the ear me say I would never ever do this again.
Yes, you did.
Did I?
You said that there, and that's.
Do you know what? I didn't even remember saying that.
But it wouldn't be me if I didn't change the color of my hair. It's what I'm known for, and I wanted to choose a color that's different, something that I think would fit me, but there's not many colors that I have not tried. Yeah, I said that right? I think I said that right. There's not many colors that I haven't tried, so I'll be doing red. And I chose red because it's a safe choice, something that I know that will actually look good on me because I've done it before. So I'll be using this brand hair dye, which is Via Naturals, and the color is bright red. I'll be attempting to dye the hair without actually washing it. I've never really done that. I've always washed my hair before I dye it. I don't know if it's going to work, as in if the hair is gonna take the color, but still I'm gonna try it. Fun fact, when I first started dyeing my hair on my own, I never used to wear gloves, and I would end up going to school the next day with dye on my hand, and it would take days to come out. And I was really just being cheap back then, honestly, because I was broke. I was going to school and I was broke, and I know someone know that says, so why not just use a plastic bag and da 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 da. I had no common sense sometimes. So I never really thought about it. People would suggest it, and then every time I go to color my hair I forget. But now I'm older, I'm wiser, and I'm making better decisions, adulting and all. So usually I would section my hair in 4, but I am doing this completely dysfunctional today. And I usually just eyeball it. So this is how it looks. I usually just eyeball it. That's how it looks, and then I would just put it on the hair. So there's no turning back. I done gone too far. Honestly, I don't know if I like it. Now that I do it, I'm not sure how I feel about the color. It now look, it's not giving what it's supposed to give.
Giving what y'all said it was supposed to give.
It may be too early to tell. Let's see how it turns out.
And another reason I normally use Kiss Colors too is the bottle is bigger, so I get more from it. And with this, the bottle is so small, I'm trying to make sure that at least most of my hair is covered in the dye. I want it to last, but I don't know if it's going to. I'm gonna leave that side there alone for now, just because I'm trying to make it stretch, and it seemed like I only have a little bit left in the bottle, which is not good because I don't want this to come out looking crazy. Right now it's looking real pink, and pink is not it for me. If this turned out pink, I'm gonna be so unhappy. I've been pink before, and it's not like pink is a bad color, but that's not the aim for me today. I really want it to be a shocking bright red, and I've had that before. So, God, please, I'm begging you right now, don't let this turn out looking crazy. Please just let it turn out looking nice, cause I'm praying to you, and I'm praying to the hair gods to make this thing look good.
I might comb it out a little bit to see if I can get it to stretch. Some parts are looking a little crazy, but trust the process.
Trust the process.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill.
I feel like I should have washed the hair before. There's a reason. There's instructions on the bottom.
And all the time I follow the instruction them, especially when I bleach my hair, and I've never had an issue before, so don't come for me.
It's actually a turnout like, I think it's processing time because it looks like it's a ticket. I don't know. I'm hoping it's ticket. The back of the ear are really where I have most of my challenges because the back of my ear can be stubborn sometimes. Anyways, I want it to catch because I don't want it to look mad. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a little bit of this, I'm going to comb it through, then I'm going to put a little dye in my hands, just a little, because I'm trying to make it stretch. Then I'm gonna try to cover the entire ear strands. Then I'm gonna twist this and let it be. So I'm gonna make it go on quick soak.
Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know that this.
So guys, this is the finished look. Well, it's still kind of wet right now, but this is how the color turned out. It in person it's a lot lighter, but it's still reddish pink. I don't know, I think I might go over it with another coat of red, but not today because I don't have the time. I have work. But this is how it look. I will try to insert a picture of how it looks dry because my hair looks different when it wet and it look different when it dry. But I'm gonna turn on so I can see the bottom.
Yeah. I won't be tolerating shit from nobody. I am that bitch. I'm that bitch. Yeah, you know I'm that bitch. Can't get off of this dick. Yeah, I am that bitch. Now you know I'm that bitch.
I will say I like it because it's different from the blonde, so I like it. The only thing I style my hair with after I rinse it up, I never even use shampoo, I never use conditioner. The only thing I used was leave-in conditioner and curling cream, nothing else. So I'm just gonna let it for dry now, and usually I air dry my hair because I don't like to use a blow dryer. I don't like heat damage, and the curls them just look better when you air dry. My hair can take hours to dry, so once it dry, I'm gonna take a picture and I'll insert it so they can see it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot to say,
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and watch the ads. Watch the ads. Please watch the ads. But I am